Dote. Ayan. Si Ate Dote. Ate Dote, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Si Ate Dote, happy birthday. Ayan. Birthday. Kainan na, kainan. Pagkain. Gano'ng pagkain? Ayan, kainan. Yung swimming pool dun sa labas. Siyempre. Ganda ng ano dito. Yung venue ng birthday. May swimming pool. Ayan. Laki. Malaki ang space. Ayan, puntahan natin yung kusina. Gumawa sila ng tsaa. Magtsa-tsa. Yan, tsaa. Ang daming
Tangwag. Diba?
tea. Ayan.
Hindi mo ito ano? Tungin ko sila. Ha? Tungin ko ba? Tungin ko na? Oo.
Tanim.
Oo, tangwag. Tanim tangwag. Hindi sa katakin ko. Makalimutan ko pa eh.
Ayan guys, nandito ako sa taas ngayon. Ang view, maganda.
Good evening.
Ang buwan, nandun yung buwan.
Tayo, agad.
Ayan ang mga bisita. Mag-start na ng program.
Sige, let's have a small our birthday program. Yes! Kamay Ate Loti, mag-ikot ka pa muna dito. Samantalahin natin ang iyong kagandahan. Miss Dorothy is wearing yellow yellow dress, and of course with the makeup and hair by Ate Kay Abad, and of course the decorations from Ate Edna, Kuya Ruel, and Kuya Julie. Ladies and gentlemen, a big of applause to our birthday girl, Ate Becky. Okay, the next number is offering of a gift. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to call on Miss Marlene Cantillo to offer a birthday gift. Isa lang muna. Ate Dolby, Ate Marlene, and Miss Sheila will offer a gift to you. Thank you very much, Ate Marlene and Miss Sheila. Matikip po ako. Ito, ang Miss Dolby is Ate Winnie.
Thank you.
Kiss. Okay. The next number in our very simple program, we would like to call on all the boys. We would like to call on all the boys to please fall in line here. All the boys. Hoy! Ikaw ang number one. Dito natin. I'm imitating boys. Kuya Ruel, Kuya Sam, atay pa boys. Number one si Kuya Jibon. Okay? Please fall in line. May voice na ba tayo dyan? Okay, the first one will over is Mr. Nick. Yep. This is Ted Patidoti and dance. Let's have a short waltz dance. Okay, the next one is Red. Thank you. Okay, the next one is Leo. The next one is Konsihan. Yes. Woo! Okay, the next one is Ayeng. Wala yung music. The next one will offer a flower is another Leo. Leo the second. Dance. Okay, the next one is Mr. Nelson Mandela. The next one is Mr. Salvi Shorba, action star from Hollywood. Yay! Palakpakan! Ano kung mga busog na, hindi naman palakpak. The next one is the CEO and President of Atayma Group of Companies, Mr. The Honorable Ruel Nichols. Okay, the next one will offer a flower is Mr. Lance Armstrong. Ayos. Ano yun inventor yan cyclist. Okay. Okay, the next one who will offer a flower is the owner and president of Caterpillar, Mr. Sammy Malayan. Ayan, dito na. The next one who will offer a flower is Isko. Nasa na si Isko. Asa rin yung flower ng Isko? Nandun kay Tita Joby. Mawala yung flower kay Tita Joby. Tita Joby! Calling Tita Joby! You will give the flower to Tita Joby. Give it to Tita and give to Tita Joby. Yeah! Yeah! Picture! Yeah! The next one who will offer a flower is our Tita Nico! Kuya Nico. Okay, Kuya Nico, we offer flower to Tita Doti. Please, Tita Doti. Sino na kasi Batong-tong? The next one is our little Batong-tong. Okay, thank you. The next one who will offer a flower is Mr. Larry. Kala mo makakalusot ka, Kuya Larry. Tagutan mo ka dyan. Hindi ka na dito.
Sabi ko, ano?
The next one will over a flower is Kuya Judy. Sabi si Kiki, ano nadamay? Hindi na kami nanonood sa Paris. Yay! Okay, the last one. The last, but not the least. The first gentleman of the Republic of the Philippines. Action Salonga, Mr. The Honorable Chipaloy! Please, sabay-sabay, please! Dance muna. Waltz, Kuya Chipol, waltz. Naka-police, dance! Yes. Okay. Waltz. Ladies and gentlemen, the first dance, the royal dance of the couple, and the celebrant, Ate Dottie. Oh, waltz, Kuya Chibol. Step forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Sige. Ladies and gentlemen, sige, mabuka mo na ating ating. Dapat may escort dyan palagi. Okay, let's have a special dance number from the celebrants and the first gentleman. Ayun na pala, sige. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm of applause to the couple, to the first couple of the century. Kuya Chimol, tapusin mo yung music!
Di ba connect sa speaker?
Okay, sa speaker na lang tayo magluto.
Lower, Kuya Chimol, lower! Tama na, okay. Thank you very much. Now let's have the...
Picture muna. Ready? Alak dito. Dead na.
Teka muna. Wait lang. Okay, everybody sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Mga group na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To you. Faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Birthday to me.
Wish!
Make a wish. And blow. Another one. Happy 60th birthday, Ate Dottie. Yay! Palakpakan po.
Susubukan ni Kuya Jubes.
Is
nice.
Kapag naman slice ito.
Susubukan ni Kuya Jubes. Bagong kasal.
Slicing.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Mabuhay! Asa na si Kuya G po? Okay, slicing now. The slicing of cake of the celebrant. Okay, we slice the cake, Ate Dottie. Thank you, yay! Thank you very much, Ate Dottie. And that ends our, okay, before we end the short program, before we end the short program, we would like to hear a short message. Okay, before we end the short program, we would like to hear a short message. Ate Dottie, short message.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you for everything, and thank you that I reached the age of 60. Still kicking and beautiful,
And young.
and young at heart. And thank you for everything, especially those who helped me to prepare for this
Special day.
for my special day, to make this occasion a memorable and a successful one.
Yes.
Heavenly Father, thank you for all the blessing that I received. Thank you for the best, my relatives, my family, and to those who planned this occasion to be a memorable one. God bless us all. Thank you.
Hindi na makatayo kasi. Okay, thank you also, Ate Dottie, for inviting us, for preparing us a sumptuous food, a sumptuous dinner tonight, and special thanks for your hair and makeup artist, Ate Kim.
Kita naman eh. Tuhod siguro. Tako na.
Hey, Ate Lita, halika na, picture dyan na. Ate Lita, konsihal, Dane, group picture. Halika na. Sige, yes, next. Come on, guys. Okay, next. Sige, pwede ba? Only shots yun. Unlimited yan. Oh.
Good morning. Ayan ba yan? Umaga na mga guys. Mga guys. Umaga na. Tapos na ang party. Ayan, nag-pack up na kami. Nag-pack up na. Kasi tapos na ang oras. May ano na lang, may isang oras na lang kami dito. Ayan, ang oras ngayon ay na 9 o'clock ng umaga. Ayan. Ang ganda ng lugar dito guys. Ayan. Naglinis na lang, naglinis tapos kakain.